I was just putting my wig on to go out to dinner with my husband, and this particular wig, the lace is rolling just a little bit. I'm just not as gentle as I should be with my lace. And I used this lace stick by Wig Guru. It is the best adhesive because it's water soluble, yet it is strong and it's so convenient. I can take it with me and so easy to use. Kind of roll it up. And the reason I wanted to post it, put it on the back of my hand so that I can sort of flatten it out. I want to get the hair in here. And then I just stick it on my hairline. And the reason I wanted to post it is because Wig Guru, the creator of Lace Stick, is having a special sale through this coming Wednesday. I wish I could remember the date off the top of my head. I'll put it in the description box. 20% off with the coupon code, I think it's Denise20. And so if you've wanted to try this adhesive, if you've seen me talk about it, or you'd like to try one of her wig grips, she has some really great and unique wig grips, then you should go check the sale out. It's just a really good time to try these products and save 20%. I've never seen her have a 20% off coupon code, so it's a really good opportunity. There you go. That's all there is to it. Look below if you want more information.